What's good with y'all, man? Today we back at it with another video here today. Today we got the CLS 550 Mercedes-Benz. You know, the nice executive sedan right here. To start off, so this car has a 4.7 liter twin turbo V8. It's kind of crazy that a non-AMG car comes with a twin turbo V8. It's pretty insane to me. Got the nice rear view here. 4MATIC as well, all-wheel drive. 445 pound-feet of torque with this one. It's a quick car. It's not slow by any means. Honestly, I'm surprised they didn't throw the AMG badge on here because this thing is quick. I'm not gonna lie. All-wheel drive paired with a 4.7 liter V8 with a 7-speed automatic gearbox. So it's a quick car, man. Like, it's not slow at all. Like, it gets up and goes. Got some nice fender flares on the side here as well, if you guys can see here. This nice rims. See on the side there. Nice fender flares there. CLS 550, man. Yeah, I'll give you all a quick exhaust note for this car.
She send me a text, don't answer her call. She love when I flex and shop in her mall. Relieving her stress, I beat down her walls. She skied on her chest, she kissing my balls. We speedy in the bed, don't stop at the loss. BV's on my neck, I shine in the dark. It's easy to slip, don't want you to fall. Walking with a drip, that make a ball. Shoot your shit up, I got accurate aim. Fucked up a few mil, now I'm back like I came. That boy said my name, I went and got me some strange. You know I don't crash, I just...
Alright, so we're now in the inside of the CLS 550. You know, I'm excited for this car, man. You know, the twin turbo V8, it's definitely not something to play around with. It's gonna be a fun drive for today, for sure. But to start off, the interior of this car, it's pretty mint. It's pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. You got the ambient lighting in here. You can switch that in this menu here. If you go over to yeah, lights and whatnot, you can kind of switch up the ambient lighting. I'll show you. It's not too customizable, but the fact that you can change it, it's pretty sick, I'm not gonna lie. That's the brightness of it. Hold on, I'm just trying to figure this out really quick. Yeah, there you go. So it's on solar, so it's neutral. So should turn. Okay, so now we got the blue in here, the neutral. And then we got the solar. I like the solar. It matches the buns and whatnot. But yeah, man, let's get straight into this drive, man. I'm excited. I'm excited to drive this car. Put your belt on, you know, safety first. That on, man. Got the different modes down here. Got the massage seats, heated seats. It's a proper car, man. It's a proper car. It's crazy that this isn't an AMG. Like, even like whenever you turn, the seats will actually bolster and move to wherever you turn, so it keeps you in your seat. It's pretty dope, I'm not gonna lie. Get this in sport mode already. Actually, you know what, matter of fact, we'll do eco mode. Just to start off, we'll do eco mode. Yeah, so right now the seats are kind of hugging me. You can kind of feel it. Calm the drive, you know, it's nighttime outside. It gets dark really quick, so I wanted to film this during the day, but it gets dark at 5, so it's all good though. We still getting the videos out, man. Music playing and whatnot. It's a nice steering wheel too. The paddles are a little small, but it's all good. They still do what they need to do, you know. You can still get your gears off, rip them gears. Let's go back to the other menu. Yeah, let's go here. Put in sport. You can see that's in sport now right here. The pedal's it's like hard, it's not sensitive, but I like it though because it's very responsive when you do press on it and it really directly applies to the gas. It's not dull. Turning's nice too. So the all-wheel drive hook up. Got there quick, man. I think the 0 to 60 for this car in particular is around, I think it's 4.6 seconds to 5. It depends on the conditions. So it's not slow. It's not slow for a car like this, you know. Especially considering this actually isn't an AMG. But it has the same engine down here. I do enjoy driving this car, man. The ride quality is also really good as well. You can kind of change your dampening here and stuff too. We're on comfort right now. Put it in sport. Tightens up a little bit. A lot of technology for this car. Roads are quiet too. This is blessed. Yeah, man, this thing got power, man. You do not want to play with this thing. It's a sleeper. You don't expect this thing to be quick. You don't expect this to have a V8 twin turbo, man. Especially because it doesn't have like any crazy styling or any crazy badges, right? It just has CLS 550 on the back. This is a sleeper car for sure. I've seen people even do like tunes and like downpipes on this car, man. It turns insane. Because I believe this engine is more reliable than the AMG one, of course. So it's more tunable, I would say. At least that's what I've seen from like the other videos of this car. Nah, this thing is quick, man. This thing is quick. Honestly, maybe we could do a little brake boost here. Oh, just kidding. Trying to get to this one road, man. Can't know where this road is at. These are the paddles. What's going on with these? Honestly, not a fan of the paddles, I'm gonna be honest. I just realized I had the eco button on, but I was in sport. This thing honestly does have a lot of torque. The V8 is my favorite engine. I love V8s, I'm not gonna lie. V8s are literally perfect. So much power, it's just so smooth. Mercedes V8s are actually my favorite engines. Okay, we hit the light. but it's all good though. Still got it done. Nice little road here. Alright, I'm gonna hit a nice little brake boost real quick. Nice little brake boost. Make sure no one behind me. We chilling. Alright. Okay. Oh no, this thing is quick, man. The lane departure tripping. No, this thing is quick, man. It's not slow. Hey, but that should conclude the video for the day. I appreciate you guys tuning in. You know, let me know what type of cars you guys also want to see as well. Like, I want to see what you guys want, and I want to make videos on that as well to tailor it to you guys. Because the content is for y'all at the end of the day, and I just want to make sure you guys are actually enjoying the videos. Or any feedback in general, you know. But hey, I appreciate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. You know, I should be dropping some more bangers in the future, so stay tuned in for that, and I appreciate y'all. Thanks.